The second topic in the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. We'll go with some specific angles. Generally, we take the angles from 0 degrees to 90 degrees for right angle triangle. Here, we'll take a specific angle like 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 45 degrees. There are some specific angles. We'll get the values, we will learn the values of trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec and sec of this specific angles values. So you need to learn that. In page number 286, you have a table 11.1 with specific angles 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Sine 0 degrees value is 0. Sine 30 degrees value is 1 by 2. Sine 45 degrees value is 1 divided by square root 2. Sine 60 degrees value is square root 3 divided by 2. Sine 90 degrees value is 1. If you see the sine ratio from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, the values are in increasing order. 0 is the minimum, 1 is the maximum. 1 by 2 is greater than 0. 1 by root 2 is greater than 1 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is greater than 1 by root 2. 1 is greater than root 3 by 2. Means they are in the increasing values. 0 to 1 from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. So sine value from 0 to 90 degrees, it is in increasing. That is in ascending order. Okay. Now cos A. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 is square root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2. Cos 90 degrees is 0. Tan value 0. Tan 0 degrees is 0. Tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3. Tan 45 degrees is 1. Tan 60 degrees is root 3. Tan 90 degrees is not defined. Not defined. Infinity. Cot A is, that is cot 0 is not defined. Cot 30 degrees is root 3. Cot 45 degrees is 1. Cot 60 degrees is 1 by root 3. Cot 90 degrees is 0. Sec A. Sec 0 degrees is 1. Sec 30 degrees is 2 by root 3. Sec 45 degrees is root 2. Sec 60 degrees is 2. Sec 90 degrees is not defined. Cosec. Cosec 0 degrees is not defined. Cosec 30 degrees is 2. Cosec 45 degrees is root 2. Cosec 60 degrees is 2 by root 3. Cosec 90 degrees is 1. Now, this one, you have to learn all this 5 ratios of 5 values of each ratio. Then you can solve the problems in exercise 2. But there is an easy way to remember these angles. Let us show how we can remember these angles in easy way. Now you see here, first learn the values of sine A. Sine 0 is 0 degree, sine 0 degrees is 0, sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2, sine 45 degrees is 1 by square root 2, sine 60 degrees is square root 3 by 2, sine 90 degrees is 1, that is in increasing order. Now how we write cos? We write cos, the cos 0 degrees is 1, cos 30 degrees is square root 3 by 2, cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2, cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2, cos 90 degrees is 0. You may have understood now. Sin 90 is cos 0. Sin 60 is cos 30. Sin 45 and cos 45 are same. And sin 30 is cos 60. Sin 0 is cos 90. So if you learn this first one, the first row, you can write the second row. Okay. Now tan. As we know, tan is sine A by cos A. Means it's the ratio of sine and cos. So 0 by 1, 0 divided by 1 is 0. That is tan. Tan 0 is 0. And here 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. Denominators are same here, 2, 2. So get cancelled. It is 1 in the numerator, root 3 in the denominator. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 45 degrees. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. Denominators are same. Root 2 cancel. It's only 1. Then tan 60 degrees. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. 2 cancel. It's only root 3. Tan 90 degrees. 1 divided by 0. There is, when you divide any number with 0, it is called not defined. If there is no number division by 0. So this is not defined infinity. So this is tan. Now let's cot. If you see the cot is cos A by sin A. Cot is cos A by sin A. So then 1 by 0, that is not defined. And then you get root 3 here, you get 1 here, you get 1 by root 3 here and 0. Just reverse of tan and cot. Tan will be the reverse of cot. You can see tan 90 is not defined, tan cot 0 is not defined. Tan 60 is root 3, cot 30 is root 3. Tan and cot 45 degrees is 1. Cot 60 degrees is 1 by root 3. That is tan 30 degrees. Cot 90 degrees is 0. That is tan 0 degrees is 0. So this is tan and cot. Now cosec. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. 1 by sine. So there are sine values reciprocal. 0, 1 by 0 not defined. Look at the sine values and write here. 1 by 0 not defined. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2, 2 divided by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. So this is cosec. Cosec 0 is not defined. Cosec 30 is 2. Cosec 45 is root 2. Cosec 60 is 2 by root 3. Cosec 90 is 1. Now sec. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. So sec A is equals to 1 by cos A. So whatever the cos values you have here, write the reciprocals. 1 by 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2 by 1. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. And reciprocal of 0, 1 by 0 is not defined. So if you learn the sign, 5 values, then you can write all the other ratios values also. Thank you.